watch what the coach says. Use your brain, because it's the second minute of the game. What happens is they play long. But nathi asikho mnandi. Watch ungezana, what are you doing? So we had the ball. Ibhola liwinwa yithi. Okay. Second ball, siluzile. Third ball, we don't have control of the ball. I am showing you this because the goal is similar to this first clip. Now here comes the goal. Watch our central midfielders. uTebogo made a run before this aya phambili usakhokha umoya. Long pass. Now look at the space between our defenders and the midfielders. It's too much space. You know, I've been complaining about Hugo Bros playing Uyaya no Mokoena. Ne? Now I understand why. He doesn't want this space. He doesn't want lesser space, lesser. Let me play it and then Uzoibise. 3 players. This was a beautiful goal. Now let me take it back. Now, let me explain this. Right? Usithole, normally he's the one that sits. Ne? Bese kuba uMokoena opushayo. But because we can't play, asikwazi ukudlala when he's playing as a 6, uyaya ne? Or if he's the 1 mila sidlalisa. So kwenzakalani? Yachangewa. He was the one making the runs forward. But now because manje uyaya uye oya phambili kwenzakalani kuba nomgodi. Because look where he is. Normally he's supposed to be here. He is the one who's supposed to do the dirty job. But uMokoena uyo ola. Okay, sharp. Remember what I said? It is similar to the first clip because we don't deal with the ball like asilwini. Siyalheada. We don't have control of the ball, it's clear. Same thing as here. You cannot, as a left back or as a full back, ibhola liyeza ulifaka phakathi nendawo. That's the first mistake. Second mistake, siyalwina futhi, you want to be stylish now, eh? Okay, that's hard. Now, here.